It's a beautiful morning here at the Mess Farm. So this is how our farm looks, guys, before the typhoon. Look at that. No damage yet. By the way, guys, I'm starting to read this book entitled The Richest Man in Babylon. Have you ever read this book? Is it worth it? Please let me know in the comment section. Hello, Debu. So we just went walking, guys. Now Debu is resting. Look, I'll show you how we walk in the morning. So I walk Debu every morning because it is our bonding in a day. Debu is not only our dog here in the farm. We have 6 more. So look at those 2 of those 6. The others are at the dorm. Let's go out now, guys. So I'll show you the update of our farm. Hold on, let me just go out. Yeah. So it was a perfect timing that we installed the support of our tomatoes. So those are the support, because we did not know that there is a typhoon coming, because we don't really watch news. Actually, most of it are starting to flower, so we do this to help it pollinate. They said adding baking soda on the soil will make the tomatoes sweeter, so we will try that also. I'm so happy that we are back to planting more crops. We really need to plan very well on how we can be consistent in our crop production, because one of our goal is to provide job opportunities in our community. So our farm has to be sustainable. It has to be up and running for us to do that. So we need to increase our crop production, raise more chickens for meat and egg production, and increase our number of pigs to produce more pork meat products. There is so much work and investment needed, but if we will write down our vision, it will truly guide us to our path going to reaching our goals. So this is how our farm looks, guys, before the typhoon. We don't want just to produce, but we want to take care of our environment as well. That's why we go organic. Later on, I will compile our video since we started working on our new garden beds. So somehow it will inspire more of us to continue and never give up in organic farming. You know what, guys? It is really important to go organic because it promotes a healthy environment by improving soil and water quality. It boosts biodiversity and reduce pollution from synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. So it will somehow save our environment, our ecosystem, so our next generations will not suffer. It is not just beneficial to our environment, but to us humans also, because it reduces pesticide exposure. So consumers of organic foods have less exposure to harmful pesticides residues, which is especially important for vulnerable populations like children with developing organ systems. And it provides healthier food. Organic produce is often described as healthier and more nutritious. So it is overall will give a positive impact to everyone, to the environment, to the human beings, to the animals, to the plants. And yeah, we are expanding our crop production here, so we will plant more and make use of our spaces. So we already plow it, as you can see. We just have to clean it and start planting. So this, guys, is our housing for the natives and the 200 egg layers that we are ordering, which didn't arrive yet. It's been really hard to order flocks right now because the supply is very low but the demand is very high. But we will not stop. We will keep looking for a supplier that can provide us as soon as possible. And this is our Madre de Agua, guys. We need to prune it and replant it so we can have more of it. It is helpful for the digestive system of our animals. Now we have here what's that? Lemongrass. Yeah, we still have more areas here to cultivate. I will show you our pigs, guys. We have a fully organic ones and we have a semi-organic. So these are our native pigs. Hold on, yeah. Our native pigs and our mixed breed. Someone is ordering lechon, but we still have to check if we will sell it now or later, or just grow it for meat. What should I think, guys? Napapaya ka damage, guys. Strong tomatoes. Here are our cockerels, guys. We started butchering some of them and we're only few bought, so it's really a big problem having them. So we'll just butcher them and feed them to our dogs. So these are the bananas from the fallen banana trees, and we use the stem of it as a mulch on our garden. So we chop it. We really have to be resourceful, guys, in organic farming. So I think this is a good mulch. We will see, because this is the first time we're using it. We will keep you updated, but I think this will help the soil because I checked it on Google. It said that it decomposes slowly, retain moisture, suppress weeds, and provide essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium to the soil as they break down. So it seems that it's good. We will see. To see is to believe in this case.